How are you? I'm Janet. Today we are going to discuss a new topic from maths. Okay? Fractions. Have you all heard about fractions? No? But you all know what are fractions. How is that? See. See this chapati. Big, round chapati. Okay? When I took it, it was soft. But see, now it is right. But still, I am going to divide this into two parts and I am giving one part for you. Okay? So, how much are you getting? Half of it. How much am I getting? Half of it. So, this half is a fraction. How is that? Let's see. See the circle? One big round chapati like circle, right? See, this is a whole circle. So, what is this? This is a heart. This is a whole circle. Now, I am going to cut this circle into two equal parts. See, like this. How many parts are there when I cut it into halves? Two parts are there. Okay, one this and one this. Now, suppose I am not cutting it into equal parts. See, like this. If I am cutting it like this, can we say they are halves? No, it should be equal. So, always remember when we are dividing, divide it into equal parts. Now, there are two equal parts. And from this, I am taking one part. So, I am taking one part from two equal parts. So, the fraction is 1 by 2. That means, see here. One circle I am dividing into two equal parts and one part I am shading. So what is the fraction here? Or what is this? These are halves, right? Or the fraction is half or 1 by 2. Now, what if we are dividing this whole circle into three equal parts? See, like this. Three equal parts. And I am taking one part out of these three equal parts. What will be the fraction there? One part out of three equal parts. What is the fraction? 1 by 3. Yes. Now, suppose I am taking two parts from these three equal parts. I am taking two parts out of three equal parts. So, what is the fraction? 2 by 3. Yes. Now, I have divided this circle into 4 equal parts. Okay. I have divided it into 4 equal parts and I have taken this one part out of it. So, what is the fraction there? One part out of 4 parts. So, the fraction is 1 by 4. Now, see here. This 1 by 4 is also known as quarter. I will show you. There is a circle. We are dividing it into 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. So, what is the fraction here? 1 by 4. Okay. Now, this 1 by 4 is also known as quarter. Quarter. So, already we have learned 1 by 2 is half and 1 by 4 is quarter. Now, suppose from these 4 parts I am taking 2 parts. 2 parts out of 4 equal parts. So, what is the fraction there? 2 by 4. Now, suppose I am taking 3 parts out of these 4 parts. Then what is the fraction? 3 by 4. And this 3 by 4 is also known as 3 quarters. Okay. So, 1 by 4 is 1 quarter. 3 by 4 is 3 quarters. Okay. Understood? Now, so these all were about circles. What if it is some other shape or something else? Let's see. This is a rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. Now I am going to cut this into two parts or two equal parts. Like this. These are two equal parts. And one part I am taking out of two parts. So what is the fraction there? 1/2. Yes. Now suppose I am dividing this into four equal parts. I am taking one part. So what is the fraction there? 1/4. Yes. Now I am taking two parts. What is the fraction there? 2/4. Yes. I am taking three parts. What is the fraction there? 3/4. Okay. Now suppose I am dividing this into 8 equal parts. Okay. These are 8 parts. 8 equal parts. And I am taking one part out of 8 parts. What is the fraction? 1/8. Now, 2 parts out of 8 parts. What is the fraction? 2/8. 3 parts out of 8 parts. What is the fraction? 3/8. Then 4 parts out of 8 parts. 4/8. 5 parts out of 8 parts. 5/8. 6 parts out of 8 parts. 6/8. 7 parts out of 8 parts. 7/8. 8 parts out of 8 parts. That becomes the whole part. Okay. So I hope all of you understood what are fractions. So what are fractions? What could be the definition of fraction? Fraction is parts of a whole. Okay, we have already taken parts. Some parts we have taken from a whole. So what is a fraction? Fractions are parts of a whole. Okay, so this is the definition of fraction. Fractions are parts of a whole. Now I am going to give you some questions for doing. So write the fraction. First one. Write it down, draw it down and shade it and write the fraction. Then second one is okay. You need to write the fractions for these questions.